Hello guys, this is the Coder 13 and today we're gonna continue with our top-down shooter. So first, we don't need the tile map, the tile palette, the tiles. So just delete the folder with tiles, then delete the folder with tile maps. If you want your background to be with tile maps, you can still use them, but I don't want to. Then let's close the tile palette window, and I made another sprite for a character. Let's import it. So I need the player idle, then I need the player walk, no, just the player walk, and that's all. So now I'll move them into the sprites folder, and as you see, now it is a sprite sheet. There are 4 sprites in one, and here there are a lot of sprites in one. So we're going to select this one and go to sprite mode and multiple, then press apply and go to sprite editor and slice. Let's make it let's see, automatic. Yeah, it sounds good. So now we can apply and close this window, and now we have 4 different frames for animation. And let's do the same with this one. Sprite mode, multiple, apply, and sprite editor, slice, automatic, slice. Check that it's sliced correctly and press apply and close this window. And now we have a lot of walk sprites. So the first thing to do is to go to animations and delete these animations and delete this controller, and let's make some animations. So press window, animation, and drag it to the bottom, and let's go to player and delete him. And create another empty object and call it player. And go to sprites folder, select the idle, and move the project here. So we'll make some animations now. So select the player and press, actually let's drag this one inside of the player, and let's make the animations for him. Wait, is the yeah, it's the correct one. And press create, assets, animation, and we'll call it an idle. And Let's make the idle animation. So first you take the middle one, put it here. Then you take this one. Something like that. And this one. Let's see the animation. And it's much better, I think. Now let's make the walk animation. Create a clip and call it walk. And let's close the idle and open the walk. And then the middle one again. And this one. Wait, which one is it? Okay, it doesn't matter. I can just delete all of them and try again. Yes. Let's see this one. Yeah, I think it's much better. Now, let's move the project back here. And go to animations. There is one animation controller. Press F2 to rename it and write player. And move it to the controllers folder. And go to animator. And here is our new controller. So from idle, we'll make a transition to walk. And from walk, we'll make a transition to idle. So let's add a parameter, float, to call it speed. And remove the exit time, the duration, and the fixed duration. And add a parameter, speed, if it is greater than 1. And from here, I wanted I wanted to have a transition duration. I don't want to have a transition duration because he doesn't need to continue walking to go to idle. and he doesn't need to continue idle to go to walking. And add a speed less than 1. So now we're gonna change. Now we're gonna change the player a bit. So let's enable the animator, the player component, and let's add a component, movement, our player movement. And we need a camera, a rigid body. So let's add a rigid body. Let's put the gravity scale to 0 and drag it in our player movement. And its speed, let's put it to 5. And let's rename it to player graphics. And let's go to scene window. And let's for now disable the aim, so it's not in the way. And let's reset the transform of the player and of the graphics. And then create an empty object and call it our fire point. And drag it to somewhere here. And to the fire point, let's add a shooting script. So the bullet prefab, the fire point, and the bullet force, let's put to 20. Let's try to play. Our player faces the mouse. Oh, yes. Let's go to scripts, player movement. Wait till it loads. Okay. Player movement. So from the start, its speed is 1 and speed is 2. Here, and that's all. Save to Unity. And now he walks, and let's put the shooting script actually, remove it, put it on the here, the fire. Oh, it's because the fire point is not under the player. So actually, where is the bullet prefab? And then the fire point and the bullet force, put it to 20. And let's play. It still shoots in the incorrect direction. Why? Oh, because the bullet. What if I put the shorted script on the fire point? Okay, let's fix that in the next video, which I hope will come out very soon. And this is it for this video. We added the better graphics for the player, and this is the end. Bye.